Mail Mastery: Understanding Delivery Confirmation and Tracking. Hello, language learners. Today we're going to delve into an exciting topic: delivery confirmation and tracking. This is an important aspect when it comes to addressing and mailing letters. By the end of this video, you'll have a strong understanding of this essential service. So let's dive right in. Delivery confirmation is a handy tool used to provide proof that an item was delivered. It's often used in business transactions, or any time you want to be sure your letter or package reached its intended recipient. The delivery confirmation feature gives you a unique number that you can use to check the status of your mail. This can provide peace of mind and is particularly useful when sending important documents or parcels. Now, let's talk about tracking. Tracking is a service that allows you to monitor the journey of your letter or package. You can see where it is and when it should arrive at its destination. This is especially helpful for international mail, as it can take longer and might have to pass through customs. Remember, every tracked item will have a unique tracking number that you can use on the Postal Service's website to see its status. Using delivery confirmation and tracking is generally straightforward. When you go to mail your letter or package, ask for these services. You'll receive a receipt with a unique number. This is your tracking or delivery confirmation number. You can enter this number on the Postal Service's website in the tracking section to monitor the journey of your mail. Remember to keep this receipt until your mail has reached its destination. We've talked about what these services are and how to use them, but why are they important? Well, they provide accountability and security. If you're sending something critical or valuable, you'll want to know it reached the right place. And if there's a dispute about whether an item was sent or received, your delivery confirmation or tracking number serves as proof. So these services add an extra layer of security to your mailing process. And that wraps up our exploration of delivery confirmation and tracking. We hope this video has been useful in enhancing your understanding of these additional mailing services. Remember, they're there to provide security and peace of mind, ensuring your mail reaches its destination as expected. Thanks for watching, and happy mailing!